beautiful people. It's Mama Goo. I'm coming at you today with a different video. So I watch a lot of YouTube, and one of the people I watch is Robert Gouveia, who's an attorney in Arizona. I watch him almost every night, and he got a new product sponsor called Brickhouse Nutrition. Now, I normally honestly don't buy things people pitch, but this sort of rung close to me because I've had weight loss surgery and I can't really get in the amount of fruits and vegetables that I think are healthy. So this is a powdered fruits and vegetable that can help me get my servings in. So it's not cheap, but I used my offer code Robert and I got 15% off my first order. I didn't do the subscription yet. You can save a little bit more money if you subscribe. I didn't do this yet because I want to see if I like it. So, fun fact about me, I'm the most pickiest eaters of fat people that I know, meaning there's like a humongous list of things I won't eat. So I'm a little nervous that I won't like this, but I figured I'd open it up and, talk about it and test it in front of all you fine people. So anyways, this is how it came. I ordered 3 items, which I will get to once I open it. It was free 2-day delivery by FedEx, which was very, I thought, really impressive. So here I am. We're going to start unboxing this. Because quite frankly, I can't even remember exactly what I ordered. So here we go. Let's see. Oh, wow. So this is the collagen. So I had ordered this because, my nails are pretty brittle. My hair is pretty brittle. Plus, for joint health and such, I'm getting older. So I wanted to give this a try. Then we have here the Field of Greens, which is their signature recipe. It is a real organic superfruit. So basically, you put 1 scoop in any beverage 2 times a day. So to get your required servings of fruit and vegetables in a liquid form. And that's the wild berry flavor. Now this is just their signature Brickhouse Field of Greens, just the regular flavor that it comes in. I wanted to give this a try too. But like I said, I'm pretty, picky. So I decided to try different flavors. And then just to taste it, because again, I'm a pain in the butt and I don't always like things, I decided to try their hole-in-one Premier Whole Food Bar. So I didn't order a box of this, but I certainly will go back if I like it. I think it would be also good for my kids who are on the go. And so right behind me is where snacks are kept, which right now, we have Kind Bar. I'm almost out of snacks. So not that I want my kids to snack, but if they're going to snack, it's going to be something, slightly nutritious. So here are the 3 products that I bought. Just to recap, we have the Field of Greens Real Organic Superfood in the original flavor. We have the Field of Greens Organic Superfood in the wild berry flavor. And then we have the collagen supplement, which is unflavored. So these are gluten-free and let's see, the collagen is 40 calories a serving, no carbohydrates, which is good because I think I'm going to go keto again next week, but we'll see. The superfoods is 10 calories and 3 carbs, which isn't bad, 2 fibers, so it's not bad. And then the wild berry is also 10 calories with 3 carbs, and 2 of that are fiber and 1 is sugar. And then the hole-in-one food bar, it's 220 calories for the bar, 16 grams of fat if you're following that, 17 carbs, but 4 of them are fiber and 5 are sugar. And there's 4 grams of added sugar. So not bad at all. especially, you know, if you're active on the go, you need something to eat. So I'm just prepping this right now. I'm gonna just keep the camera rolling for this one. This is a struggle. All right. So no smell that I can, no, I can't really smell anything. So it says the claims that this makes is promotes joint comfort and mobility, which I could use, reduces face lines and wrinkles. Hello! This is my product. Supports healthy and lustrous hair, which I could use too, and aids in the growth of strong and beautiful nails. I just keep mine short because they keep breaking lately. So that's the Brickhouse Radiance. By the way, these are all made in Texas. So it's a United States made product, so that's good. Let's see. Now the Field of Greens promises it's a full serving of vegetables, a full serving of fruit, antioxidant power, and boosted immunity. So that's what this says. Proudly made in America. All right, so I'm back with the water. So all I did here was, you know, I've got my potpourri of shaker bottles here. Don't mind the brand on them. These are just things I've accumulated through the years or gotten from other people. So the collagen says to have in room temperature water because it mixes the best that way. But I've taken all my water out of my refrigerator, which is filtered and chilled. So it's going to be a little bit chilled, but that's okay. Let's try it. So I'm going to start with the regular Field of Greens. This is the one I'm actually most excited about. I've got a scoop. I don't know, I guess it's pretty much full, but there's no perfection here. So I'm going to pop this into my first shaker jar. And I'm going to find the lid to this one. Just the snap lid. Shake, shake, shake. Shake, shake, shake. Shake your booty. Shake your booty. Ah, shake, shake, shake. Shake, shake, shake. Am I going to get in trouble for this? We'll have to see. All right, I think this is pretty much shaken up enough. Ooh, it actually smells pretty fruity, actually. I'm a little surprised. I expected this to kind of smell like dirt. I'm not gonna lie, because I mean, look at the color, but let's try it. Wow, not bad. It really doesn't have much of a flavor. So I could see putting this in, you know, something else, like my famous Crystal Light. Yeah, it's pretty good. So now let's move on. There is a little bit of an earthy aftertaste, but I don't know. It's possible I didn't shake it enough. Who knows? So let's see. Let's try the Field of Greens wild berry flavor. Oof. Yeah, this smells the same as the Field of Greens original flavor. So let's get the scoop out. A little messy here. I feel like this is a longer scoop. Is my imagination? Yep, that's interesting. This is a different size of scoop, so who knows? Let's get a nice scoop in here, as level as I can be. Pop it in here. My lid, my little shaking lid. Make sure this is closed. Just a little bit of a shake, shake, shake. You know, you guys are probably sick of me at this point. All right, so let's try it. This actually has a less fruity smell than the regular Field of Greens, which that's interesting, but let's see. I mean, it's okay. I don't taste any berry. Let's see. If I had to judge between the two, let me give this another shake. I made a mess. Oh well. If I was to drink this plain without any other additive, like if I didn't put it in a smoothie or whatever, I would definitely like the Field of Greens just by itself. But if I'm gonna, because actually the wild berry has a little bit less of a flavor, which is interesting to me. Because I figured this would be kind of sweet and fruity, but it has less of a distinct flavor than the regular flavor of Field of Greens. So that's interesting. But pretty good. I mean, I'm gonna use both of them. So I'm gonna try to do 2 servings a day. All right, so now the gelatin, or the collagen, I'm sorry. You know, Jell-O is like collagen as well, but this is much better, less, no fake stuff in it, so. Let's see, let's put the little ball in. The lid. If I could get the lid on, life would be great. Okay. Give this a good shake. This is enough, but we're gonna try it anyways. Oh man. There we go. All right, here we go. This has no flavor at all, so that's awesome. That means it's very versatile. You can use it in different places, so that's good. So the last thing I want to try is this Premier Whole Food Bar. This I'm pretty excited about because, you know, I love me some snacks, unfortunately. So here we go. Oh, this has a very sweet sort of cookie smell. And, oops, I just broke it. It's not that big, it's just little, which is good. We like small things. It smells really good. It smells like vanilla and almonds, which, I mean, it is a vanilla almond honey bar. I would definitely say it smells sweet. So let's give it a try, shall we? So as I'm chewing this, I'm thinking, it's very chewy, right? So I just took a little piece, and you definitely like have to chew it. Like, you know how you eat like cookies or other bars sometimes, and they basically, you know, slide down your throat? This doesn't. This takes actual chewing, which is good. I'm just saying. So, I mean, it's very good. It's not overly sweet. Definitely you can taste the almonds. I would say this bar is like mostly almonds, you know, and very light sweetness. I mean, I could definitely, I don't know if my kids will eat it. I'll have them try it later. But I know I would pick on these if I had a craving and couldn't get a regular meal, because this has got to be better than, you know, junk food. So to recap, I think coming in at number 1, if I was just to drink this straight up, is going to be the Field of Greens, just the original organic superfood flavor. And in second place, I would say this collagen, or this Radiance collagen peptides, because there's no flavor. So you could add this to anything. So that's it. And then the bars, which, you know, I could see myself buying. So I'll tell you what, Maybe I'll do a short follow-up in a couple weeks to let you know if I feel any different. All right, guys, that's all I had for you today. I hope you enjoyed this type of video. I'm not trying to be, a products channel, but I figured I bought this and I should let you guys know what I think about it, being a person who's had weight loss surgery. So that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Mwah!